All right, Sales Funnel Nerd here. Welcome to this video. It's the first day of Lead Magnet School here. We're going to be talking about lead magnets and what they are and how to use them. So what is a lead magnet? What do they do? So what a lead magnet is essentially bait. And it's bait to attract the right kind of people and also to repel the wrong kind of people, right? So you've probably seen lots of lead magnets running around, but I want you to understand and realize I'm going to show you some ways to not only generate a lot of lead magnets at once, but also to think about other different types of lead magnets, because depending on your market, what your market is, like they may not go for the traditional lead magnet, or what may be a traditional lead magnet to one market might be something new to your market. So underneath this video here today, I'll have some links to some sample lead magnets that I've either downloaded or created, so you can check those out. But just to give you an idea, lead magnets come in a lot of different forms. So it could be a traditional, kind of a classic one is the free report, right? Some type of free report. So the next type is some type of, it could be a free video, something like this. These are videos I find are super easy to make and work great as far as lead magnets. It could be some type of free training. Now, that free training might be, maybe it comes as a CD in the mail or a DVD in the mail, right? There's lots and lots of different options for this. And once you find one that works, the great thing is it'll just keep working and working. It could be some type of free mini course. So I have an automated email series that goes out, and in the subject line it says day 1 of 5. The next one is day 2 of 5, day 3 of 5. And what it is, I've styled it as essentially a mini course for people. Right? So a mini course email series, something like that, where it's, completely automated. They sign up for it and you don't even have to do anything. It just gets delivered to them. Now you can have, as far as lead magnet types, you could have something even as simple as an Excel spreadsheet. It's one of, I have a few Excel spreadsheets that I got as far as lead magnets from people, and I love them. They're fantastic because, one, I don't really know much about Excel, and two, having like pre-done formulas so you can see, plug in numbers and start playing around with stuff. For people like me, for certain types of people like marketers, these spreadsheets are golden. I love them. So that's what I mean, is that it can be, you can come up with some, either traditional or non-traditional ideas for lead magnets, and you'll be surprised what works and what doesn't. So your homework for today is pretty simple. All you have to do is just check out the samples underneath here. I also want you to go through and take a look through your own email inbox and check out the lead magnets that you've likely received over time. What did you like about them? What didn't you like about them? What kind of lead magnet do you think your market would respond to, as far as some ideas here? So as we go through this training, I'm going to show you how to make all different types of lead magnets, but I want you to start thinking now about ones that kind of, maybe you've kind of got your eye on. So that's it for today, and I will see you in the next video.